What's up, YouTube? New year, new me. You know what I hate? When you're... Okay, I'm not even gonna continue recording because this is so awkward. Like, you know when a car pulls up next to you at the light? Like, what are you looking at, bro? But anyway, like I was saying, right? Oh my god, can we go? What the Yo, you lucky I got somewhere to go, bro. Like, you know when you're turning, you're turning left, right? You're in the left 2 lanes and you're turning left, and the car on the other side of the street is turning right. But it's like, bro, I'm still in the middle of the street turning left, and you're still gonna try to turn in before me? Like, bro, I hate Florida drivers. Like, nothing, like, there's nobody else that's worse than Florida drivers. Dead ass. Damn, like, fuck up my whole train of thought. Like, I don't even want to go to the gym again, bro. Gosh. Anyway. Woo. Oosa. I'm working on my anger. Everything's gonna be okay. Like I was saying, new year, new me. And, you know, every year, I always say the same thing. Like, all right, this is the year that I'm gonna lose weight. This is the year X, Y, and Z. Like, no, you know what? I'm tired. Now that the car is parked. I'm so tired of not being comfortable in my skin. Not to say that I'm not comfortable, because you feel me. But, like, no, on a real note, like, I'm being very vulnerable right now. I am not comfortable in my skin. I'm not. Like, everybody has their insecurities, yeah, whatever. But honestly, like, I'm tired of not wearing certain things because I don't feel like I look good in that. Like, or whatever the case is, whatever the scenario is, like, I'm not happy with the way that I look. So, with that being said, I really want to start being very consistent with the gym. And I say this all the time, like, I'll go back to the gym, and 1 week, 2 weeks, I'm very consistent every day, drinking my water, yes, and then I fall off. Like, no, I'm tired of that. I want to create, where's this guy going? Oh, I want to create new habits, new routines, all 2023. Like, I'm not a morning person at all, so don't ask me to come. No, like, I'm not a morning person. I'm not. It's okay. Like, everybody's not a morning person. Everybody's not whatever. But I'm not a morning person. However, when I do wake up in the morning, like 7 o'clock, and I get up and I start my day, I find myself getting a lot more things done. Also, whatever, like, early birds get the worm. Like, the most successful people that you see, I guarantee you, they're up while we're still dreaming. Like, they're getting shit done. And it's like, why can't I do that? Like, so, not even to say new year, new me, but, like, it's a new year, so I want to use that and really start new habits. For instance, I want to start working out every day. Like I said, guess where I'm at? You can't see it, but I'm at Planet Fitness, and I'm about to go get my workout on, and I'm about to take y'all with me to show you guys a few little things, whatever. Today is a light upper body and core workout, as well as always implementing cardio in every single workout, as well as abs. So if it's leg day, booty day, whatever day, I'm always going to implement cardio and abs into my routine, right? I'm still sitting in the car talking to you guys because I'm waiting for my cousin to pull up because we're going to work out together. So I'm not really sure where she is. She might be here, honestly, but I'm not really looking at my phone right now because I'm talking to you guys. But, yeah, like, I want to start waking up early at the crack of dawn to get my workout done and over with before 7:30 every day. Like, before 7:30, I need to already have done my workout and ready to start my day. Right? So, I need you guys to help me by holding me accountable. Like, yo, did you go to the gym today? Or whatever the case is. Like, I just want to really, I just really want to, like, create new habits. So, with that being said, if you're feeling like me in any way, you feel like you want to do this, but you're too lazy, or you're not motivated enough, or blah, 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 whatever the excuse is, bro, honestly, like, do what you gotta do. Like, I don't care, oh, I'll do it tomorrow. No, get up and do what you gotta do. Another thing that my best friend kind of, like, helped me remember, like, to remind me, like, honestly, the way that you speak is very important. Like, you gotta speak very positively when it comes to anything. Like, even something as simple as saying, if I do this, or if this, and that happens, then blah, 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 blah. And instead of saying if, say when. Like, you have to start using your tongue and speaking things into existence. So, with that being said, I want you guys to honestly take that and really, like, go with that. Like, if nothing, like, when I become rich, or when I lose weight, not if I lose weight, or not if I get this job, when I get this job. All right, I'm rambling. I'm about to go inside the gym, and I'll see you guys there.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry.
Yeah, so we didn't record the rest of our workout, but we're done. Because people kept, as you saw the guy, like, people kept tripping over my phone. So clearly it's a problem to record. But we're done. We had a good workout. We're thinking about getting pliable one more time. Too much?
Because we're skinny.
Because skinny.
Skinny like China.
But I kind of want a burger. Not gonna lie. Nah, I'm gonna lie.
Stop going. Something.
Damn, you look good. Hey guys, it's such a long time since I've done a voiceover. Like, I know my voice sounds probably weird. But here we are. I got really bored. I think this was like a day or two after the first video. But I got really bored. And I had nothing but time this particular afternoon. So I decided that I was gonna just twist my hair. So this is what I'm doing. So watch me twist. Super cute, super easy hairstyle to do. It took me like, I kid you not, it took me no more than about an hour and like 10 minutes. Because it's so simple, like all you gotta do is twist. And I left some of the curls out because why not? It's cute. So yeah, just watch me do this, okay? Okay. Oh, and you see how the first braid is like kind of thick and juicy at the top, and then at the bottom it's like a skinny little twist? Yeah, that's because I straightened my hair like last year for my birthday, and that at the top is new growth. So it is growing, but don't straighten your hair, ladies. Don't do it. Like, if you gotta get a wig or something, do that. But boom, here's the finished product. That's all I have for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.